Hi students, in the last class we have studied quotient rings, definition of quotient ring and one property of quotient ring. Okay, if R is a commutative ring, then R by S is also commutative. R is a commutative ring, R by S is quotient ring. It is also commutative if R is commutative. For example, S plus A into S plus B. By the definition of quotient ring, S plus A into S plus B is S plus AB. Here A and B are elements of R. This is by the definition of quotient ring. AB. R is commutative nothing but A and B are the elements of R. Therefore AB can be written as BA. This can be written as S plus B into S plus A. S plus A into S plus B equals S plus B into S plus A. Therefore, R by S is commutative. Second, if R is a ring with unity, then R by S is also a ring with unity S plus 1. S plus 1 is the unit element of R by S. If R is a ring with unity, then we have to show that R by S is also a ring with unity. S plus A into S plus 1. By the definition of quotient rings, this can be written as S plus A into 1. Here R is a ring with unity, A is element of R. A into 1 can be written as A. Okay. A can be written as 1 into A by the property S plus 1 into A. This can be written as S plus 1 into S plus A. Therefore, S plus 1 is the unit element in R by S. Theorem number 9. Let R be a ring and S an ideal of R. Let F maps from R to R by S be a mapping defined by f of A equals S plus A for every A belongs to R. Then F is homomorphism of R onto R by S. Here R is a ring, S is ideal of R. Mapping F maps from R to quotient ring R by S. R is a ring, S is a ideal. And this mapping is defined by f of A equals S plus A. A is element of R. Then we have to show that F is homomorphism of R onto R by S. Okay, let take any one element of R by S, quotient ring. S plus X belongs to R by S. Be any element, then X belongs to R. By this definition, Fx equals S plus X. This is by the data. Therefore, F is onto. Take any two elements of R. Let A and B belongs to R. F of A plus B equals S plus A plus B. This can be written as by the definition of quotient rings S plus A plus S plus B. S plus A means F of A. S plus A is F of A. S plus B is F of B. F of A plus B equals F of A plus F of B. F of AB equals S plus AB. This can be written as S plus A into S plus B. S plus A is FA into FB. Therefore, F is homomorphism from R to R by S. Next, very important theorem, fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism. Question is, state and prove fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism. Our fundamental theorem is every homomorphic image of a ring R is isomorphic to quotient ring. Every homomorphic image of a ring R is isomorphic to quotient ring. Let F maps from R to R dash be a homomorphism and S be the kernel of S. S is the kernel of S. By the previous theorem, S is an ideal of R. S is ideal of R. R is a ring nothing but R by S is a quotient ring. Here we shall prove that R by S is isomorphic to R dash because R dash is homomorphic image of a ring R. R by S is quotient ring. Quotient ring is isomorphic to homomorphic image of R, that is R dash. Now we have to define the mapping. G maps from R by S to f of r dash, both are same. F of r means homomorphic image defined by g of the elements of r by s are of the form s plus a, g of s plus a, and the elements of f of r is of the form f of a. Here s plus a belongs to r by s and a belongs to r. First we have to show that to prove isomorphic, we have to show that 1 1 onto and homomorphic. G is 1 1. G of s plus a equals g of s plus b. G of s plus a, nothing but fa. Fa equals fb. This can be written as fa minus fb equals 0 dash. 0 dash is the zeroth element of f of r. F is homomorphism. It is given. F is a homomorphism. Therefore, this can be written as f of a minus b equals 0 dash. F of a minus b equals 0 dash, nothing but a minus b belongs to s. This implies s plus a equals s plus b. Therefore, g is 1 1. G is onto. Let y is any element of f of r, then y equals f of a for every a belongs to r. Now s plus a is element of r by s. G of s plus a equals fa equals y. Therefore, G is onto. Third one, G is homomorphic. Consider G of s plus a plus s plus b equals, this can be written as G of s plus of a plus b. By the definition, G of s plus a is f of a. G of s plus a plus b is f of a plus b. F is homomorphic, therefore f of a plus b is f of a plus f of b. F of a nothing but g of s plus a. G of s plus a plus g of s plus b. And g of s plus a into g of a into s plus b equals g of s plus ab. G of s plus a is f of a. G of s plus ab is f of ab. F is homomorphism. F of ab is f of a into f of b. F of a nothing but g of s plus a into f of b is g of a plus b, s plus b. Therefore, G is homomorphism and hence G is isomorphism. Therefore, R by S isomorphic to homomorphic image of R or f of R.